All right, here we go again in the winter. Last video. All right, you ready? One, go! All right, that's it. Last video. We're going in. Time for some hot tea. Whew. You have fun?
They wanted me to go to work today? They crazy.
That wasn't me.
This is deep. Right here. This is deep.
No thanks for me. I don't want no sled. I want a nice warm bed. Ah, that rhymes. Wow, you see my son, 13 years old, and he's taller than me. Yeah, because I was telling mommy years ago when I was a kid, I went to Katona Park in the Bronx, playing in the snow like that, and then I went straight home and took a hot bath, and that's the worst experience. You gotta let your body defrost. All right. All right, y'all. Peace. Jaden. Peace.